Hey friends, welcome back to She's At It Again. My name is Tanya, and I want to give you a little peek of my tiny garden. Okay, so these are lemon trees right here, some rosemary, peppers, purple whole peas, tomatoes, okra, and this right here, my friends, is a jungle created by my compost bin. And for some reason, well, not for some reason, something sprouted in the compost bin and it just started coming up around here, and I just let it go. So I now have butternut squash and cantaloupe that I did not plant, but I am so grateful to have it. It has just gone nuts. Over here we have some mint and a lot of stevia that I've grown from seed. And these tomatoes, these are all volunteers. There's some cinnamon basil coming up. I've got basil and zinnias and peppers and stuff planted around the perimeter of the garden, but this is where a shed used to be. Here's another part of the tiny garden in a separate area. We had a big giant pecan tree cut down a few years ago, so now we have sunlight over here. These are strawberries and there's zinnias in there. There's some onions that I come out here and plunk in there, ones that I got from the supermarket, and they just keep growing perpetually. There's a tomato over there, but here's what I want you to look. This is my rainwater, even when it doesn't rain. Here's more rainwater that I store in empty milk jugs and distilled water jugs for when my plants need a drink and it hasn't rained, and that has rainwater in it as well. Okay, so garden in the background. I'm sitting in the shade. It is incredibly hot out here. But I wanted to tell you that I use just water hose water in those buckets. I put it in the buckets. If you let it sit for 24 hours, I am told that all the chlorine evaporates out of it. So the thing that plants don't like about just tap water and water hose water, if we're real, you know, what we grew up on drinking as kids, is the chlorine in it. So although we require the chlorine to have safe water, theoretically, the plants don't like it. So if you let it sit for 24 hours in an open container, the chlorine evaporates and your plants are happy and content. So that's how you get rainwater when it doesn't rain. Just keep them perpetually filled up. You empty out one bucket, just fill it up right away. In 24 hours, you'll have more rainwater. So I say rainwater, it's not really rain like coming from the sky. It's coming from your water hose. But all the chlorine's evaporated out. It has the same properties as rainwater, and your plants will be happy. And this is the third time I've made this video. I just couldn't figure out how to show you the garden and explain to you what I'm talking about when it comes to rainwater. So I'm hoping this comes across comprehensively and you understand what I'm talking about. So I hope it's been helpful, and we look forward to sharing something again with you real soon. Bye guys.